2 minutes.
Oh, yeah. Okay, man, I'll call you back. Hi. My name is.
The man Fazile.
Oh, yeah.
We still talk.
Damn, it's all
Yeah,
already.
online.
Yeah, my face, so, like someone was calling me, like it was like my
Yeah, it's
sister was
okay,
calling
don't
me.
worry.
But I just got here, bro. Like, and I took some distance to get here. Like, this is what I'm with the bed.
Cotton Fazile, why is he?
Okay.
Do you know how much distance I took
Cotton
to get here?
Fazile, usakhuluma.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, like, that's how you do me. I could have been your husband right now.
It's not even like that.
I could have been your husband right now.
Really, this.
Don't do that, bro. Ricky, don't do that. Ricky, don't do that. Ricky, don't do that.
Girls hate me, bro.
Ricky, don't do that.
Bro,
No.
girls hate me.
I have another.
I've had like my 100, no, it's not 100. It's like my 7th rejection today, bro. Today only.
You can't do that.
And I was trying to be a good guy.
You can't
They used to call me a player,
I'm not that
whatnot.
guy.
But now I'm trying to be a cool guy now. This is my 7th rejection.
You can't do that to him.
I'm hanging myself actually. Do you have a toilet paper?
Just be like a petty yes.
Okay, it's fine.
You can't be a petty
I'm
yes.
done.
I'm done.
I'm done.
It's over.
It's over.
Sorry.